Skyview Exteriors, your local family-owned Rhode Island roofing experts, serving homeowners with trusted craftsmanship. This West Warwick home's roof was at the end of its life. We tore off every last piece of the old shingles, inspected the deck, and made it ready for transformation. Next came the upgrades, 2 new skylights, and solar-powered roof ventilation to keep it cool and energy efficient, all installed with precision by our expert crew. Take a look at the finished result. A stunning new roof that's both beautiful and built to last. The sleek architectural shingles offer premium protection, while the skylights and modern ventilation elevate comfort and performance. This is what a high-quality transformation looks like. Skyview Exteriors is proud to be a family-owned business serving all of Rhode Island. We treat your home like it's our own, with honest service, expert craftsmanship, and a team that cares. Whether you're in West Warwick or anywhere in the state, we're the roofing partner you can trust. Need a new roof, skylights, or upgraded ventilation? Call Skyview Exteriors today or visit our website to schedule your free estimate.